Students, hello, it's your instructor John Mandela with another screencast. This one about the All About Me project in Intro to Multimedia class. And the week 6 part of it, which is animating your name. Now it says most websites, blah, 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 blah. And it also says use a program of your choice, create a 2D animation with your name. Should include at least one motion tween, one shape tween, and one graphic. Ignore the motion tween and shape tween. Just have some animation and make sure there's at least one graphic. Okay, an image, photograph, logo type thing. Then when you save the animation in native format, I really would rather you don't save it in the native format. I would much rather you export it to a media that myself and yourself and anyone else can easily view. Alright? Now if you want to do video, you might be using Premiere Pro. When you open Premiere Pro, it's very different than any other kind of piece of software that's in the Adobe Creative Suite. So when you get to it, this little prompt comes up and it doesn't let you do anything except here. So what we're going to have to do is click New Project. And we can leave all of this down here to give it a name. I'll just call this AAMP for All About Me project. Okay, and then I have to click Browse. The reason why I want to do this is because I want to choose where I want to save it to. I'm going to go to my desktop and make a new folder. I'm going to call it AAMP Premiere Pro. Okay, I save it there and click OK. Notice it shows up there, but it doesn't. Go back until I find it. I'm going to hit OK. And now I'm in Premiere Pro. Okay, and I'll see these options. New sequence. Now this is HD video. Even if you have HD video, I would strongly suggest this is your first time, especially using video, to not use HD. Okay, you can use something like this one, digital video NTSC, and do either standard or widescreen. I'll only do widescreen if you have a widescreen video camera that you're going to be using, or a regular camera that can shoot video, and it can go widescreen mode, you can use that. Otherwise, just standard will be fine. Standard at 48 kilohertz. The sequence name, we can leave that alone as sequence 1. You can name that if you want to specifically name it, but I leave mine as sequence 1. Hit OK. And I'm going to wait a little bit for things to get started here. Try to pause, I might just try to get some things set up. Okay, now I'm in Premiere Pro, and everything's loaded up. I've a new project, I can see I have sequence 1. Now, I don't really see anything. So if you've recorded, sorry, you don't have to record any video at this point yet if you don't want to. You just need to make your name. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to title menu, new title, and you can choose some of these other ones. I'm going to go with default still for right now. And then it says, it's just the video settings, how big you want it. So whatever it says, click OK, except for name, I'm going to call it my name, animated. Okay. Okay, so then you see this pop up, and this is almost like using Photoshop or Illustrator. So I have a text tool here. I'm just going to make a box, let's draw it out. I'm going to type in my name. So John, I'm going to use a font that's not stupid looking. I'll use a font like, we'll just use this one. It's kind of stupid looking, but we'll go with it. If I want to change the color of the font, that would be over here. Click on this, and I'm going to go with like a bright green, let's say. Click OK. And like this, I can also center this text in this box if I want to, which I do. And I've got this going. I'm going to think, if I click on my black arrow tool, you can see I can resize the box so it's not so unnecessarily large. Resize it that way as well, and position it how I want to. One of these lines of these are kind of like the video save areas. I can also go down here and choose from some different presets. So maybe I want to use this one, for example. And notice I'll take that, but I don't really want to do that, so I'll undo that. Control Z or Command Z. So I've got this. I'm just going to close this. And I can see that it shows up here, my name animated. So I just take that and drag it down into the timeline like this. And I can hit this little mountain button. This views me in. So you can see by default, I just make it a little over 4 seconds. So, and it just shows up right there. So that's how they showed it, right? It was right in the middle of the title. The title is like the kind of transparent slide over the top of everything. And my piece of text is right in the middle. So when I drag it onto the timeline down here, it's in the middle. I'm going to stop here. We're actually going to animating this next video.